Just got done earlier getting the rust out of this hole. I got them on both sides, but I mean, I'm putting that foam filler stuff. I used it like around 2 years ago. You fill it all up in here and here before I put up a body filler over these holes on the Chevy Malibu 2008 though. Use the same hole. Oops. Over here. But then think about just using Bondo. Fill it with Bondo and the hardener. I gotta get more of the hardener though. That'll probably be maybe next week I'll do that. I think next week, maybe. Yeah, that's about all though.